So that was the first night cooking show. New York strips, macaroni and cheese, and a medley of broccoli, snow peas, and carrots, topped with sauteed onions, garlic, and of course, mushrooms. There you go, folks. The Lost RVers. How you like that chef? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Yes, you've seen it here. Trip number 3 to Bear Country. Beware. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Dude. Fresh air. Relaxation. All because of a 175RD Jayco, a 2017 Highlander with a CVT transmission in it. Trip 3. Here we be. Be back. Alright, this is trip number 7 to Caspar Beach. We made it. I'm trying to get out over those caps to this surf pole by walking towards the water. And it keeps coming in on me. So we're just going to fish for about an hour, go back. This is it. This is the cove. And we found this place probably around 2001. We camped in dome tents on the beach, right across the highway, right across the road where that building is. And they had RV parking too. We always wanted to come back and check it out. So I bought this big old pole and attempting to catch anything that bites, but I gotta be over there. There's a river kind of running through there. So I think I'm out of luck. But anytime there's bait in the water, you never know what you're gonna catch. So this is trip number 7. We made it. And we'll see what else we get on this video in the next 2 days. And it's Cal Root Peg 1 fighting the surf. Talk to you later. Okay, here we are on Coyote Rock Campground, RV lot. Call. Coyote Rock Resort and Marina. This is what it is. It's beautiful down here. I'm not really sure what kind of fish you can get. We aren't here to fish. But it's just still water. And apparently seals and sea otters come up this channel. This goes right out to the ocean. The ocean comes in and it meets somewhere down there. There's a boat. You can bring your boat and launch. There you go. And it's just been like this. It looks like something out of the south, you know. Just a lazy river. You can tell it's flowing. It's flowing out with the tide. This is it. Yeah, my phone is really messing up. I gotta be careful because we are just being pounded. Just pounded. Just pounded by rain, man. So far. Who knows? Oh, look at this poor guy out there. I'm not even gonna try to get a close-up. It's just too wet. I'm under a purple umbrella, but the guy's trying to get back to safety. Look at this. We got a river. We're going down through there. But hey, the poles are in the water. It's dusk. We're just getting pounded, nailed, just nailed. Holy cow. But the poles are in the water. I do a 360. This is the Lake Collins. In April 2019, look how high up it is. right there. Yeah, we're camped. We got the best spot. We got the best spot because you have to have a small trailer to get into this. There was a bear. The guy next to us is a little tent trailer. Guy next to him. But to get on the river or on the lake, you got to have a small trailer. We do. 175 RD. Okay, that's it. But look at this. We're getting just nailed. Love it. See you in a bit. Okay, we pushed our way southward. We're back in Castle Rocks. This is where we camped. Well, we camped about 15 miles down the road, 10 miles down the road. But this is now St. Helens Visitor Center. So I'll take you inside and show you what that's all about. We're trying to get a picture of the mountain. Bye. I just got to add on to this. Baby surf for a bit. Just steer it. Just keep us out of the ditch. This is the Klamath. And it's a huge river, and it's just steelhead and salmon. They come up out of the Pacific Ocean all the way up here to spawn, and then they die, so you catch them before that. Beautiful fish.
Beautiful river.
Beautiful river. Beautiful area.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna let my wife stop freaking out. See, she does a wonderful job. Oh, we're going off the cliff. Well, I'll just film, let her drive. Oh, look at the red barn. Come on, baby. Just keep us on the road until someone shows up behind us. Look at this. It's just beautiful. Just want to get in the last few pictures before we get on the freeway. Freeway footage. I like it. I watch it. Look at the grapevines up here. Red barn, cows, clouds, trees. Okay, I'm taking over right now. Bye. My first catch of the day. Yes, I caught something finally. 7 trips. And there he goes. Oh, there he goes. The catch of the day. We're still trying. I'm gonna catch dinner. I caught a crab. Better than having crabs. See you later, alligators. Back. I was watching them. They were jumping. Look at that guy.
Usually the planners don't fight, huh?
Look at that.
They're putting on a show today.
They are.
Supposed to plant tomorrow too. Tomorrow or Friday?
All right, folks. This is our cameo appearance for YouTube and everyone else. Happy Halloween. It's about ready to get started. I'll try to go live. That's my plan. Happy Halloween.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, that's our cameo appearance. It's 5:30. We got about another, I'd say, 45 minutes until it gets dark. At which time I'm going to attempt just to run this camera live.
Put my lipstick on.
Bye.